4GBNs, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I think a lot of you have seen me on the court. I think off late, I confess that I have not been able to come here on the court. So, everyone namaskaram. I will have to continue in English. That's the only thing I can say in Malayalam right now. I think a lot more in English. So, what a beautiful speech, Sir Ravindran. I think it opened up so many vistas of how Indian sport can shape up for the youth of the country, for the glory of the nation. And I'm completely somebody who has, with a lot of pride, represented India abroad. And I think that's the same pride behind the passion that Shyamatan had, which I saw in him when he first came to me and said that, Ajit, I have this land and we need to start a badminton court. So you and me are responsible, along with all of us on those dais. What I would want for, if I have a wish list for 4GB for the arena, can I put it across if you don't mind? But I would hold all of you responsible for that wish list to try and see at least if some of it can be made into or fructify into reality. Over the last 10 years, I've seen how Indian badminton has shaped up. We are becoming one of the largest nations, if not the largest, even ahead of China in badminton participation. China has got 30 disciplines of sports which they medal in the Olympics. India, as you know it, you said no, we have to scantily check. And badminton is definitely one of those medal winning sports. Athletics is the other. Now, for a nation which has got such quantity of athletes, such quantum of athletes, I think what we need to have is quality coming out as well. And for that, I would love to have 4GB have not just a simple upgrade, but 4GB to have synthetic courts which are world standard, which can facilitate even better world standard facility for the young kids to come and play. And why I wish that is because there is a lot of access to social media today. And what they say is, they see badminton world standards not in wooden courts. They see all of these things in green, red, blue or grey color courts which are synthetic. And I think the next change as we move ahead, this is one of the things we must do. Get better facilities. Now, secondly to that, I would also say that all of us together needs to bring the kids to have more participation. As much as the family has done yeoman service, yes, this is service. I have not seen somebody else put so much into a small organization as what Shyamatan, Saichechi, Shashietan here, Sanandaran, all of them have put into. I had many doubts whether this might continue. The structure may continue, but will the activity continue was a doubt in my head and my heart. I wish that it continues, I wish that it grew, it did continue. And what I would like to see is we grow in expertise, we grow in sponsorships in terms of helping the meritorious students to take it to a higher level. There are ample opportunities in India right now. I think sir has mentioned about Gopichand Academy here, which is one of the finest. There is a wonderful center in Bangalore, which is Prakash Academy. But sir, you're also forgetting there are small academies like AWSB, whose athletes currently are competing with those athletes. And it's not because we have huge facilities. It's simply because we have the best expertise. And what I put around the player is world-class team of experts. I came from a small, humble town known as Kannur. Me and my family played in a single court. It was cement court. And from that court, we've had about 40 national and international medals. Me and my partner, we have won 25 national championships. And it was only because of the fact that we had so many people to encourage us. We had expertise, we could see very good badminton players in front of our eyes. We could observe, watch, learn. They pushed us so that we can have the quality, and that quality was laid at the foundation. You rightly said, sir, if you don't have good strong foundation, there is no chance, I will write this down, there is no chance for us to have international quality athletes. We spoke a little earlier about football. I believe we do not have the basic foundational skills which can take us, or the skill sets necessary to produce top-notch players like Messi. As he rightly said, sportsmen are the pride of nations. When I went